Let's talk about Windows 8 terminology just a moment. And I hate to do this to you, but you need to be aware of something that's going to cause you a little bit of confusion as you start to look at documentation and as you Google things out there and as you hear people talk about Windows 8. Now, the term Metro has been used quite a bit, and I'll use it a lot in this course. And Metro has been the buzzword for Windows 8 since we first heard the first rumors, little hints began to leak out of Microsoft about the next major upgrade to the Windows operating system. The term Metro has been the one identifying feature of the new OS. Now, in August of 2012, we started kind of hearing these little rumblings. And then, I don't know, around the first, maybe second week of August, it's like the earth began to shake as far as Microsoft's concerned and as far as their developers were concerned. And things started to leak out. Hey, wait a minute, Metro's going away. Well, everybody thought, wow, wait a minute, what's going on here? This whole idea of Metro apps is going away. Well, no. What actually happened is Microsoft suddenly renamed Metro apps to Windows 8 apps. Now, you can debate about whether this is a good idea or not, whether they should do it, but the fact of the matter is you're going to hear the term Metro connected to Windows 8 for quite a long time because they have kind of embedded this into developers and administrators' terminology now for all of the development phase. And Microsoft's advising that Metro was a code name for the new functionality during the product development. And I don't want to sound like I'm stirring the pot or anything, but for developers and for administrators who have been going to Microsoft events for quite a few months, all the way through this process, they've heard the term Metro banded as a major functionality of the software. Well, as of mid-August, Microsoft changed the developer guidelines. And I can't remember exactly when it was, first or second week, somewhere around in there. You can go Google it and chase it. But Microsoft changed the developer guidelines, and they said when you submit an app to go into Windows 8 into the store, if you have the word Metro as part of the app name, it will be declined, and you'll have to go make that change. And so Microsoft's clearly moving away from the term Metro. And a lot of speculation about why. Maybe they're trying to get a new start on marketing. There's been speculations about some sort of crosstalk with other companies that use the term Metro. But just understand that you're going to be confused about this a little bit as you dig into Windows 8 and as you read about it. And you'll even hear me say Metro quite a bit in this course because amongst developers, Metro is what this thing's known as. Amongst the early adopters of this, Metro is what the name is known as. And even though Microsoft's changed it, it hasn't gained a whole lot of traction out there in the actual working world with the software. So you may hear this, and I just don't want you to get confused. But Metro is one of those names that you're going to hear some people using. Others are going to call it Windows 8 apps. And it'll be a while before this shakes down. But we always go through this with new operating systems. So this is just one of the things with Microsoft. So call it Metro if you would like. If you're going to be a developer, it's a Windows 8 app. And you're going to hear both terms out there in the marketplace and on the internet for quite a while. So I just wanted to help you out, keep you out of the dark woods here.